Hello and welcome. Today we will be discussing about the water heating element that comes with our Calpac solar water heaters. These come in three different sizes: 1.5 kilowatt for the 160 liters, 2.4 kilowatt for the 200 liters, and 3.5 kilowatt for the 300 liters. This heating element is used as an additional accessory or an optional item, whereby it helps you boost your water heating process during cloudy days and or when there is no enough sunlight. Basically, once it's connected, you can put it on, let's say from 6 to 7 a.m. in the morning, so that it can help you boost the water heating process, especially if there is no sun. In line with the water heating element, we have a smart solution through our product called the TT2 controller, whereby it has a sensor that is connected to the heating element. And what you can do with it is, number one, set the heating temperature of the water that you prefer, say 55 degrees or 60 degrees or 40 degrees. It also comes with a programmable timer switch, whereby you can program your boosting of your water to be done, say, from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning, or 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. in the evening, or whatever time of your choice. Visit our shops or contact us in Arusha, Dar es Salaam, Zanzibar, and Nairobi. Gadgetronix, unlimited technologies.